See in the pic how effortlessly, very comfortably she is playing xylophone, and it is very intriguing. Intriguing means very wonderful to see a girl who could play xylophone and she could not hear any sound. So she could feel the sound through vibration. She could speak up to the age of 11. That's why her accent were very clear. Her Scottish lit were very clear. Lit means a way of speaking. And she mastered French language and Japanese language too. So in the seventh para, she says that music pours in her body. That means she could feel the sensation of music in each and every body part. Music seeps in her body. Seeps means enter in her body. It tingles in its skin, in her skin. In her hair also it seeps. And when she plays xylophone, she could feel the sensation passing from the stick to her finger. And whenever she played drums, she could feel the resonance, the echo of the sound flowing in her body. Whenever she plays, she never wear any footwear. On a wooden platform, she stood bare feet so that the vibration can seep in her body. Now, whenever Evelyn play any musical instrument, she delights. She make her audience happy. The audience feel very wonderful to join her concert. Here, she got a very prestigious, very reputed award in 1991, and the award was given by Royal Philharmonic Society, and it was given in soloist. She was given the best soloist award. There was one percussionist, his name was James Blade. He gave a very good remark to the girl. God may have taken her hearing power, but has given back something extraordinary to Evelyn. What we hear, she could feel. She just not feel, she feels more deeply than us. And that's why she expresses music very beautifully. Her expression of music is very wonderful. Evelyn confesses that she is workaholic. Workaholic means a person who loves work, and she works harder than classical musician. That's why there is a perfection in her music, and lots of awards and rewards were there in her life. Apart from playing or giving regular concert, she was giving free concert in hospitals and prison. Music is a wonderful thing. It can heal the patient or it can change the nature of prisoners too. So she was giving concert in hospitals and in the jail, in the prison. She was doing for a charity. One person is mentioned here, Anne Rachlin. He was director of Bithorn Fund. The institution works for the welfare of the deaf children, and Evelyn was regularly giving charity. And he says that the girl Evelyn is a shining inspiration for the deaf children, role model, we can say that. People think that Evelyn is their role model because being a deaf, she could achieve this much success. So everybody was setting a goal that they want to be like Evelyn. It get long time to get name and fame, but in the case of Evelyn, because of her hard work, she got name and fame in a very short span of time. Plus, she was a role model for handicapped people. An enormous pleasure to million people she gave. Whenever she play music, people feel happy. And she was a shining inspiration for the handicapped people. So here the theme or the essence of the chapter is we should not feel that we are less. Always choose the right and correct path, and hard work is the key to success. This mantra should be there in our life. So I hope you understood the chapter. The chapter is written by Deborah Cowley.